we are back with another Bath & Body Works haul. I feel like I definitely have been hitting it hard lately, especially with the semi-annual sale. This is my second purchase from the sale, and it is my last, of course. So if you did not see my first haul for the semi-annual sale, definitely check that out. And then I also had another haul about a month before that as well. So if you want to check those out, I will have them linked at the end of this video. But the one thing that was just kind of eating me up a little bit after my last haul was that I did not buy any candles. And I love Bath & Body Works candles so much, but I will never pay full price for them. So even for me, still paying like $13.95 or $14 for a candle is still kind of a lot of money for a candle. I still really like the Bath & Body Works ones, so I did pick up just a few and a few extra body products as well. So really quickly, for the shower gels that I got, I only got 2 this time because I do have quite a large stockpile of scents from Bath & Body Works, but these 2 I just really wanted. This is a scent that I got in my last haul, and it is the Cotton Candy Cloud scent. I just thought it'd be nice to have the shower gel to go with it, so I picked that up. This one is Spun Sugar, Pink Berries, and Whipped Vanilla. And then next I picked up the Firecracker Pop shower gel. This one just sounded really good, and with it being 4th of July, I really wanted to get this one. So this one is Red Cherry, Fresh Citrus, and Juicy Berry. So that's it for the 2 shower gels that I got. Next up, I did get some Shea Butters. They are one of my favorite things to get from Bath & Body Works, so I couldn't resist a couple things. So I of course had to get the Firecracker Pop scent as well. Again, this one is the Red Cherry, Fresh Citrus, and Juicy Berry. I really love this because the cherry smells so good, and it does not give me that like medicine kind of cherry scent at all. This just smells so good and delicious, like a bomb pop. I'm totally about this scent, so I'm really glad to pick that one up. The next one I got is Sun Ripened Raspberry. Now I cannot for the life of me remember if I just ordered this or if I already have one. I really can't remember, so I might already have this one, but if I do, it's okay because I really love this scent. It is Sun Ripened Raspberries, Strawberry Leaves, and Sugar Crystals, so you can never go wrong with that. So even if I do have it, it's okay. Next up is a scent I've never tried before. This one is called Poolside Cabana, and it just looked really cute. And this one is Crisp Pear, Warm Breeze, and Solar Sandalwood. So those sound like all good things. Next up from that same kind of like collection, this one is Sparkling Orange Spritz. I've actually never had Spritz, but I'm seeing it everywhere now and hearing it, but I don't know what it is. I know it's like a drink or something, but I'm not quite sure what it is. But this one is Sun Kissed Mandarin, Bubbly Prosecco, and Citrus Soda. I think I'm really gonna like this one. I don't really go into the citrus ones too much as far as body care, but it's a nice one to throw in there to kind of break up all the sweet vanillas that I usually go for. And then the next one, again from that same little kind of like design collection, this one is called Sunset Glow, and the scent notes of this one is fresh coconut, sparkling cherry seltzer, dreamy moonflower, and caramelized vanilla. These are ones I was going back and forth on so many times whenever I was placing my first order, and then I ended up not getting some of these, but I went back for them. So this one is, it's kind of like that 70s groovy like retro vibe, and I thought it was so cute. This one is called Golden Sunflower. This one is Sunflower Petals, Orange Flower, and Fresh Vanilla. I really want to smell this one because I'm not quite sure what sunflowers smell like. Ooh, this one's nice. It's definitely a floral as you would expect. It's a little different for me, but it is a nice scent. Next up, another one in that collection. This one is called Disco Daydream. This one is like a really pretty little purple packaging, and I love that one. This one is Cali Days, Wild Vanilla, and Radiant Coconut. I'm not sure what Cali Days is supposed to be. Ooh, that one's really good. I wouldn't have expected coconut with it being purple, but it smells quite nice. Next up, we have Rainbow Waves, and this one is like the little turquoisey blue one, and this one is Sunny Sangria, Bright Watermelon, and Misty Waters. Ooh, that one smells very good. It's very fresh, aquatic kind of scent. I like this one a lot. Yeah, I love that one. I'm not a huge fan of like watery type of scents, but this one just, it's really good. The melon definitely is a nice blend with that one. And then the last of the Shea Butters is this one called Groovy Watermelon. So this one is Juicy Pink Watermelon, Sugared Strawberry Blossoms, and Lime Zest. Yep, that is 100% what I was wanting from this one. It smells like a strawberry watermelon kind of candy, like a Jolly Rancher. Love it. Now I'm wishing I got all the body washes to go with these. Gosh, I have to draw the line somewhere though. All right, and then for the candles, I did get 5 candles. I got 4 of the 3 wicks and 1 of the single wicks. So I think that this will have to manage my candle obsession, and especially since I do have a lot of like other brands that I'm working through of my candle collection, it's nice to kind of have just a couple Bath & Body Works to throw in there because they are truly like they're such good candles. They really, really are. And anytime I can get them on sale, I would much rather that than full price. So the first single candle that I got, this one is called Dark Amber and Oud. This is one of the White Barn ones. This one was really inexpensive. The regular price on here is $17.95. Oh my gosh, I would not pay that much. I think I got this for like, definitely under $6 maybe. I can't remember though. I feel like it was a really good price for this one. Oh, this one is very fresh. This one says the notes are dark golden amber, fresh rainwater, oud wood. And what I love about the small single candles is I love these for like my baths whenever I do bubble baths and stuff, because this just fits perfectly in my little shower nook and it's just like perfect. The other ones are way too big and they're kind of overpowering, and since my bathroom is a little bit smaller, something like this is perfect. But this is going to be a great bath time bubble bath type of scent. I'm probably going to save this one for closer to like fall and winter because I don't do as many bubble baths in the summer just because it's so hot. I don't really do a lot of bubble baths, so I'm probably gonna save this one for a bit, but once it gets to like cool and crisp and fall, ooh, this is gonna be all over. This next candle I got, this is another one that's a little bit out of my comfort zone kind of, and I wanted to see what the scent smelled like because I had another product from another brand that was also called this, which is Sea Salt Neroli, and I wanted to see if it was like the same scent or not. So this is what the candle looks like. I like the really plain kind of classic looking ones, but then I also really love the fun cutesy ones too, but it's always nice to kind of switch it up a little bit. This is definitely like more of a classy kind of candle style. So the scent notes of this one is salted neroli blossoms, watery watery eucalyptus, and fresh lemon zest. So let's smell this one. Oh yeah, it's definitely like a fresh kind of floral. Maybe like just a hint of like a kind of spa type scent, but definitely like a fresh floral kind of scent. This one I could almost see more of like a springtime kind of scent, but I will definitely throw this in there sometimes. Definitely a little bit out of my comfort zone, but I do like the scent of this, but it does not smell like what I was thinking it was going to smell like. If you're familiar with the brand, I think it's called Caldrea. They make a lotion called Sea Salt Neroli, and I love that scent so much, and I kind of want to order like more of that lotion and see if they have candles. I don't know if they do. I used to get it from a specific little like boutique-y shop in Eureka Springs, but I haven't had it in like years. Like I used to use this in high school, so it's been a while, but that scent is so nostalgic for me, and even though I know I can like buy it online and everything, I just haven't purchased it in so long. So definitely think I'm gonna have to like look into that later. The next candle I got, I had to get this one when it was on sale, and I knew that I loved the scent. I had this one I think last summer and I just loved it. This one is Berry Waffle Cone, and I absolutely love the color and the packaging and the label on this one. I feel like it's so cute. The other one I had I think was like just like a beige kind of color, so I like that this one's pink and pretty and cute. And the scent notes of this one is sweet summer berries, golden waffle cone, and creamy vanilla. I love this one. It just smells amazing. It smells like a berry scone and I love it, and I think I have the body care stuff of this scent as well, so I'm very, very happy with it. The next candle I got is the Firecracker Pop scent. So I got the body wash, I got the body butter, and the candle as well. I feel like this might need to be the next one I burn just because it is about to be 4th of July as the time I'm filming this. And the scent notes of this one is red cherry, fresh citrus, and juicy berry. So I want to smell this in the candle form, even though I smelled it in the other ones. This one smells so good. Again, like I said, that cherry does not go cough medicine kind of scent to me at all. I know some people are kind of like weary with cherry. It almost goes a little bit more towards like a black cherry to me, which I think definitely adds to like the sweetness and the depth of the scent. So I'm very happy with that one. And the final one I got, this one was so cute, and I've never smelled this one before. I don't know if this is a new scent or one they've had before. I'm sure they probably had. But this one really kind of caught my eye. I love the color of this one, which is totally not typically my color scheme, but there's something about this like bright sunny yellow and this like blue. This is actually like a velvet little sticker in here, which is so cool. I haven't felt any of their candles that have had that type of label before. It just felt kind of fun and different. But this one is called Sweet Tea and Lemonade, and I feel like that is just the epitome of like a southern summer, and I had to get this one. And it has a really cool like lid. It almost reminds me of like a waffle or something, but I don't know, it's cute though. So the scent of this one is brewed sweet tea, fresh squeezed lemon, and sugar crystals. And you guys, this was like the unexpected winner for me just because this one is so bright and fresh smelling. It smells just like a fresh pitcher of lemonade, and it's got that little bit of tart, a little bit of sweet, but then like a little bit of tea as well. Okay everyone, so that is my final Bath & Body Works haul for a long time. I'm not joking. Like, I am not buying anything until December 26th. I think is when they usually do their semi-annual sale for the winter time. So I am making a pact to myself. I am not allowed to buy anything from Bath & Body Works for the rest of the year until after Christmas. So I will definitely do my absolute very best to stick with that. I think I need to like unsubscribe from their emails or whatever. Just, it needs to not be on my radar because I have so much stuff and I can only use so much at a time. I mean, don't get me wrong. I am constantly using Bath & Body Works everything and I love it. So I tend to buy a lot faster than I can use it up. So I've got quite the stockpile right now. And then of course it's always nice to have on hand because they do make such like great, wonderful little gifts and stuff. So it's always nice to have on hand. All right, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like and subscribe. You can follow me on Instagram. Link is below. And until my next video, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.